Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we are going to share with you the remote jobs. Now, there is one important thing that I would like to share with you. So we are going to share with you the multiple job opportunities, but apart from that, there are a few of the job opportunities from the companies that are hiring in the month of Feb 26. So this includes a list of remote QA roles, list of the QA job openings, the work from office job openings, automation, estate roles, all kind of things you would get. So it's a kind of a file in which you will be getting the links to apply as well as the if it's a remote role, you can work it from home itself and you can apply. So this is a link. I'll be putting this link for this particular product. It is to assist people to get more and more calls because February and March are very important month, and in these 2 months a lot of hiring is going on. So I want you to take an advantage of this particular kit. You would be it's not a course actually. This looks like it's a course, but it's not a course. I wanted to share an updated file with you, so whenever there are new openings, so that would be updated in that file. So that is why this is the template that has been used. So when you avail that particular file for today, you can see the jobs. After some time, if you'll see the latest jobs every time. So that's the key point for this particular product. Okay. So you can enroll for this particular product. You can avail this particular job opportunities. And apart from that, there are few more job opportunities. So you can see this Odysseus Solutions. They are hiring for Bangalore as well as for Vadodara based locations. They're hiring for QA automation lead, Playwright 7 to 12 years, Bangalore. They're hiring for QA manual lead, 7 to 10 years, Vadodara. They are hiring for QA analyst manual, 2 to 6 years, Bangalore and Vadodara. They are hiring for QA analyst automation, 2 to 6 years, Bangalore. So, and then senior software engineers, software support engineers, IT infrastructure lead, technical lead, all of these job opportunities are there. And you can connect with her. So she is the hiring manager who is hiring for all of these particular job opportunities. Okay. Then apart from that also, there are multiple other job opportunities. Okay. So if you can see, there is a hiring going on for automation QA engineer. This is for fresher. Location is Noida, Sector 62. They are looking for someone who can perform automation QA, who can do QA along with the automation, someone who can prepare test cases, test scenarios, assist in developing and executing automated test scripts, perform functional and regression and smoke testing, identify, log, and track defects using bug tracking tools, collaborate with the developers and senior QA members to improve product quality, participate in agile scrum meetings, testing activities. What they are expecting you to have is basic understanding of software testing lifecycle and SDLC, knowledge of automation tools like Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, that is basic level, and basic programming knowledge in Java, Python, JavaScript is required, understanding of manual testing concepts, familiarity with API testing, Postman, basic knowledge. So you can apply over here. There's the name of the company, Apps Logic, and there's the email address. Then there's a requirement for QA tester, 6 months to 1 year of experience. It's a remote job, and they are looking for passionate QA tester with 6 months to 1 year. Those who has understanding of manual testing, knowledge of SDLC experience in writing test cases, familiarity with tools like Jira. So candidates with 2+ years of experience are not requested to apply. It is for 6 months to 1 year only. Talentica Software is hiring for QA engineer, automation, as well as API testing. So they are looking for someone who has got strong experience in automation testing and API testing. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there's a requirement for QA Playwright automation engineer role. Location is remote. Experience required is 5+ years. So they are looking for someone who has got hands-on expertise in Playwright with JavaScript, TypeScript, experience with CI/CD, knowledge of API testing, database testing, proficiency in Git and defect tracking tools like Jira. So interested candidates can share their resume on this particular email address. Capgemini is also hiring for QA professionals, 2 to 12 years of experience, and they are looking for manual functional tester, ETL test lead, test manager, Selenium automation, Playwright plus TypeScript, and API automation. And you can share your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for Salesforce manual QA engineer. Again, it's a remote job, contract to hire basis. and they are looking for someone who can perform manual testing of Salesforce, functional regression, integration, and UAT testing, test case creation, and defect tracking. Opportunity to convert to full time. It's a remote role. Experience is 2+ years. So you can send your resume to this email address. Then Publicis Sapient is also hiring. So Publicis Resources, so they are hiring for QA engineers at for the senior associate role, and the role that they are looking is for QA engineer, and the hiring level is senior associate. Key skills are also given: Jira, CI/CD, Selenium, automation, manual Postman, Azure DevOps, GitHub. Experience level required is 6 years to 9 years. Location is Bangalore, Gurugram, Pune. So if you are interested, you can write to us at this particular email address. And you need to share the details here, like current CTC, expected CTC, notice period you need to share, previous company, total years of experience, relevant years of experience, current location, preferred location. So whenever you are applying for any job opportunity, feel free to share all these details, because if you'll share all these details, then it will be easy for the recruiter or for the hiring manager to hire you or to shortlist you. Then Sourcebay is also hiring for QA testers, and it's an Indore-based location, and they are looking for quality-based products. So they are looking for a QA tester, manual plus automation with 1 to 2 years of experience who can catch bugs. So this is with respect to Sourcebay company. Then there are other opportunities as well. So let me share those details with you. Okay. So here is a requirement for a manual testing position, and they are looking for someone who has skill set of Jira, Agile, SDLC, SQL. Location is Bangalore. Experience required is 1.5 to 5 years. So you can apply for this particular position. Apart from that, there is an open position for quality analyst. So they are looking for someone who has quality analysis, who can do quality audits, call monitoring, customer experience. So you can apply. This is the email address which has been given for the same. So there are multiple opportunities for QA, and you can apply for all these roles and let us know if anything else is required from our end. And here is a link for the remote QA jobs. So it contains remote QA jobs. It also contains the list of the companies which are hiring. So we have consolidated nearly 25 plus companies with the link which you can directly apply. And the openings are there for the QA. So we have personally manually validated that thing as well. The openings are there. So it contains remote, it contains hybrid, it contains work from home job opportunities, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.